Right, I'll check factorizing by taking out the highest common factor. Ne? Now, you have to go back to grade 8 or grade 9 when you were talking about factors. You have to remind yourself of what a factor is. And then also from factors, then we can talk about the highest what? Common fact. Very important. Highest common fact. Those are the two important terms now when we factorize by taking out the highest common fact. Right. Let me remind you how to work at the factors. Let's say now you are given 12, for example. Barwena, list the factors of what? Of 12. Remember how to work at the factors? We said factors are those numbers that can be divided without leaving a what? A remainder. For example, if we talk about the factors of 12, 1 is a factor of 12. Why 1 is a factor of 12? Because when you say 12 divided by 1, you get a whole number. You get 12. 2 is another factor of 12 because when you say 12 divided by 2, you get what? 6. 6, which is also a what? A whole number. Ne? And then 3 is also a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12 as well as what? Not 12. After 6, we go to 12. Right. Now, I get read the factors at 12. So that they can appear. Read the factors at 12. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 6, the 12. Those are factors of what? Of 12. Right, let us now check, for example, factors of 16. What are factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, and what? 16. And 16. I don't know what I hope. If you're confused on the factors of the manager, the multiples are no more. They must include the number of the factors starting. For example, how about the multiples are 1? I get it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They include what? 12. So 1 is a factor of 12. How do I check the multiples start 2? Multiples start 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is included there. Multiples start 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is included. That's 4, 4, 8, 12. 12 is included. That's 6 again, 6, 12. That 12 again, get 12. So I'll check out the multiple side factors. The number of factors that must also be included. I'll check the factors are 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is included, right? I'll check it at 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And then that 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. That 80. 8, 60. That's 16, 60. So the number is also included. Now, I want to talk about what a factor is. Now let us come and talk about the highest what? Highest common factor. Now, the word common, how is something common? It is the same, right? Now let us check the factors of 12 and factors of 16. Let's check the common factor. Factor 8 12 or 16. Let us circle those common factors. You see 1. 1 is a common factor. And then 2 is a what? A common fact. 4 is a common fact. What else? That's all. Those 3, 1, 2, and 4, pretty common factors. Now, you must work at the word what? Highest. Highest what? Common fact. Yes, here we have 3 common factors. Renale 1, the common factor. Renale 2, the common factor. Renale 4, the common fact. But now we want the what? The highest common fact. What is our highest common factor? our highest common factor, which we call the HCF. Give 4. So when I factorize, we are always going to work with the highest common factor. The highest. 1. Yes, 1 is factor, but 2. 2 is factor, but 4, because 4 is our highest common factor. So you always look out for the highest common factor. I will check another example before we go and factorize. Before we go and factorize, I want us to check another example. Give me factors of 9. No, give me factors of 21 as well as factors of 8. I listed the factors of 21. What are factors of 21? 1, 3, 7 and what? 21. And 21. How about the tester? You just check the multiples of that number. Check on will 21 be included? Multiples of 1, obviously 21 will be included. Let's check multiples of 3. It's over 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 21 is included. Let us check the factors of 7. It's going to be 7, 14, 21. 21 is included. Factors of 21, 21. Now let us list factors of 8. What are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 here again I got 8. Okay, check it over. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So 6 is a factor. After 6, what do we have? 10. After 10, what do we have? 15, because 15 is half of 30, as well as 30. Is how the test out, you just check the multiples. How about our check out now is 10 a factor. Check multiples of 10. It's over 10, 20, 30. 30 is included. If you want to check 15, multiples of 15, 15, 30. 30 is included. Now, you want to calculate the common factor. We calculate common factor, and then from there we can list the highest common factor. What are our common factors? 1 the common factor. What else? 3 the common factor. Now identify the highest common factor. What is our highest common factor? 3 is our highest common factor. Now I want us to go and factorize. We are going to go and do what? And factorize by taking out the what? The highest common factor. Right, before we have factorize, you must check how the variable is how. How the variable is how. You must also identify your common factor. Right. Let's say now, when you know x squared, unale x to the exponent 7, unale x to the exponent 5. You have these 3. What will be your common factor? What I'm going to say here. I want you to write this thing at the back of your book there, so that you can remember. The one with the lowest exponent is your common factor. Now I'm saying to you, the one with the lowest exponent will be your what? Your common factor. So get all the time. Renale x squared, renale x to the exponent 7, renale x to the exponent 5. What's the time move? Which one has the lowest exponent? x squared, because lowest exponent is 2. That means this one will be our common factor. Man have a factorize. So you always look for the one with the lowest what? Exponent. Remember that? Right. But I check your example. It will be easier when you do it as example. Right. Let us check this. The first example here. This example comes from Mind Action Series, page 12. Ne? So it goes 15. Go to factorize. The question says factorize. 15x squared plus 9x to the exponent of 5. That is your example. 15x squared plus 9x to the exponent of 5. Now, how can I 15 and 9? Always start with your numbers. Ne? Let us start with 15 and 9. Now, let us just on the side. Here where you are answering. Ne? Just do it on the side. List factors of 15 and then list factors of 9. What are factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. These are factors of 15. Now let us list factors of 9. What are factors of 9? 1, 3, 9. Now, from these factors of 15, let us factors of 9. You identify your highest common factor. What is your highest common factor, Mo? 3. 3 is our highest common factor. So highest common factor how? Money, when you factorize, that you put outside your bracket. Ne? So our highest common factor is 3. We put 3 here. You just write 3. We know that 3 is your highest what? Common factor. Now, how do you look the numbers down? Let us come to our variables. We have x squared. We have x to the exponent of 5. Common factor how? It's over the one with the what? Lowest exponent. So what is our common factor? X squared is our common factor because it is the one with the what? With the lowest exponent. How to deal with a common factor? You open your bracket. You open your what? Your bracket. And then now we come. This is what we are going to do. Ne? Let's go. 15x squared. This one. 15x squared divide by your common factor. Ne? 15x squared divide by 3x squared. Check and out where is that one. 15 divided by 3, 5. You write 5 here. And then x squared divided by x squared. When you divide the same thing, 10 divided by 10 is 1. 100 divided by 100 is 1. So even x squared divided by x squared is 1. And then 1 because 1 multiplied by 5 will still give us 5. Meaning we see 5 here now. And then the rate here. Now we come to this term divided by 3x squared. 9x to the exponent of 5 divided by 3x squared. Let us start here. 9 divided by 3. So now plus 3. And then you say x to the exponent of 5 divided by x squared. Check out now. How do you check it? There are many ways in which you can do it. Ne? X to the exponent of 5 divided by x squared. How do you work x to the exponent of 5? What's one? X multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x. How many are they? 5. And turn x to the exponent of 5. And then we say divide by x squared. X squared is x multiplied by x. Check what happens here. When you divide x to the exponent of 5 divided by x squared, this x will cancel this x. This x will cancel this x. That means basically x to the exponent of 3. We factorize. That means this is your answer. More, you wanna answer how factorize it that way. Let us check so that we can check another example. Rivoningo. Are you okay? Right, we check the second example. The second example we are given 15 a to the exponent 4 b to the exponent 6 minus 3 ab squared. 15a to the exponent of 4 b to the exponent of 6 minus 3ab squared. The question says factorize. Ne? You are required to do what? To factorize. Now, teacher always you start with your numbers and then you check out for the highest what? Common fact. Now, our numbers is 15 and 3. I said on the side, just list factors of 3 and then just list factors of what? Of 15. What are factors of 15? 1, 3, 5, 15. And then what are factors of 3? 1, 3. Now I want you to identify the highest common factor, which we call the HCF. What is our highest common factor? 3 is our highest common factor. Minimum factorizer to 3. Now let us factorize. Ne? The highest common factor between 15 and 3, so we take 3. Now let us come to our variables there. You have a to the exponent of 4. Pay attention here. You have a to the exponent of 4 and then you have a that side. Kize, which one is our common factor? The one with the what? Lowest exponent. So between a to the exponent of 4 and a, which one has the lowest exponent? A. That means a yore walakai kan. What follow? And then now, renale b to the exponent of 6, that side renale b squared. Between b to the exponent of 6 as well as b squared, which one has the lowest exponent there? B squared. So b squared has the lowest what? Exponent. That's it. That is our common factor. And then you open your what? Your bracket. Now, after opening your bracket, this is what you are going to do. This is what you are going to do after opening your bracket. Now we are going to say 15a to the exponent 4b to the exponent 6 divide by 3ab squared. This one divide by your common factor. Now let us come. 15 divided by 3? 5. And then a to the exponent of 4 divided by 8. I said you will do it aside. You just say, when you talk about a to the exponent of 4, it's a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. 4a. Divide by how many a's here? Only 1a. So this is what is going to happen. This a will cancel this a. How many a's are you left with there? 3. That means we'll have a to the exponent of 3. Now, when I let b to the exponent of 6 divide by b squared. You also do it aside. You have b to the exponent of 6, we will have b multiplied by 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 b. 6 of them. Divide by how many b's? 2. So we'll have b multiplied by b. What is going to happen here? This b will cancel, this b will cancel, this b. How many b's are you left with? 4. That means we're going to let b to the exponent of 4. Now, and then we come here, minus. And then 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 to 1. And And then A divided by A, Q1 aja. B squared divided by B squared, Q1 aja. So how divide that this one? You'll always get 1. So that means this thing is exactly the same as this one. 3AB squared divided by 3AB squared. That's 1 again. So this divided by this, what will be your answer? 1. 1. Because we divide and to say 100 divided by 100, 1. A divided by A, 1. AB divided by AB, 1. ABC divided by ABC, 1. When you divide same things, your answer will be 1. So how we factorize it? That is your what? Your answer. That is how you factorize by taking out the highest common factor. Any question? Any question? Let's check if there's another example. Right, let me go to another example. Let me come to another example. And then after this one, you go for the classwork there in your you are going to answer. Let's check this example. Papa, before I go to this example, let me give you this one. Try doing it on your own there, so that I can see that you are still following. Let's say we have 6x cubed y squared minus 14x to the exponent of 5 y cubed. Factorize there. Come around, fella, on your book there. Factorize that book. Right, thank you very much. Pause and then let us have a look. Right, now we have 6 and 14. We have 6 and what? And 14. Dumelang. All right, class list. We have 6 and 14. Right. These are on the side. Just aside, you just list factors of 6 and then you list factors of what? Of 14. Now, what are factors of 6? It's 1, 2, 3, 6. And what are factors of 14? 1, 2, 7. 7, ne? 7 and what? 14. And 14. And now what is your highest common factor? 2. 2 is our highest common factor. Highest common factor, that 2 will be your highest common factor. Now check, we have x cubed, we have x to the exponent of 5. Ne? Which one is our highest common factor? The one with the lowest exponent. So which one has the lowest exponent between x cubed and x to the exponent of 5? X cubed is our highest common factor. Now, we have y squared and then we have y cubed there. Between y squared and y cubed, which one has the highest common, the lowest exponent? Y squared. Y squared will be our common factor. And then you open your what? You open your bracket. Now, major. 6 divided by 2, you have 3. And then x cubed divided by x cubed, y squared divided by y squared, so I 1 because 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. And then retola that minus there. 14 divided by 2, you have 7. And then x to the exponent 5 divided by x cubed, you have x squared. Because basically, remember when you divide from the loss of exponent, when you divide powers of the same basis, you subtract the what? The exponent. So 5 minus 3 will give you that 2. And then y cubed divided by y squared. Y to the exponent of 1. But that 1 having all that. There is 1 there. And then you close your what? Your bracket. We factorize the right. Now let us check instances whereby one variable is assigning on all your terms. So now you're not receiving the right. Let's say now you are given what time is it there? We are left with 4 minutes, ne? Right. Let's say you are given something like this. You are given 15 x cubed y to the exponent of 5 z. Ne? And then what plus 5 x squared y squared z. No, let's get rid of the z here. We're going to wait right, let us get rid of the z. Let's say you are given 15x cubed y to the exponent 5z plus 5x squared y squared. Ne? How do you factorize? What is the highest common factor between 15 and 5? Between 15 and 5, what is the highest common factor? 5 is the highest common factor. And then now we have x cubed and then we have x squared. I said to you, the one with the lowest exponent will be your common factor. So between x cubed and x squared, which one has the lowest exponent? X squared. And then now, when I let y to the exponent of 5, and I let y squared that side. Between y to the exponent of 5 and y squared, which one has the lowest exponent? Y squared. Now, check ahead. Wabana z, ke, iten temenye. But check a term kancane ho your plus sign. Ho na le z mo. Z high. High le jwalo, ha ona mohlang o tlo beya z ka ntle, o bo re z ke common factor. Z is not your common factor. Hore re ntho ke common factor, it must appear on all your terms. Ya utlwala je. X re tena re ke common factor because ho na le x mona and that side we also have x. But we cannot say z is a common factor because z appears only on this term but it does not appear on that term. Ra follow again. Tatu. Right. Then we open our bracket. Now we are going to say 15 divided by 5. What is 15 divided by 5? 3. Aja? And then x cubed divided by x squared. What is the answer? X cubed divided by x squared. Usala x a1. Aja? And then y to the exponent of 5 divided by y squared. Y cubed. Aja? Then we have plus there. 5. No, check. Check this. 5. We have 5x squared y squared. Lemona, we have 5x squared y squared. Oh no. We made a big mistake. What did we forget there? Z. We forgot about this z. Because now check. Because harena z re ka dividang ka yona mo kantle. Re etsang ka z yana. Re thola ntse le jwalo, we write it as it is. This z. Because there is no z outside that we can divide with. Why bona je? So I le jwalo we tlisa fatshe ntse le jwalo. Now berere plus. Check ahead. Re na le 5x squared y squared divide by 5x squared y squared. You divide the same things. This divide by its twin or its copy. What will be the answer? 1. The answer will be 1. You close your bracket. It is factorized highly So now class work here how? That date here today. Speak today. January 2025. You answer exercise 6A. A number 1 to number 7. Okay. Exercise 6A number 1 to number 7. Our viewers there at home, the exercise is in Mind Action Series and it's exercise 6A number 1 to number 7. And thank you very much for watching.